I don't know if it happened this some winter or not. Never was so hot in November, December. Never saw it. I do. Yeah. Well, we only have 2 years, right? It's completely since we played. Yeah.
You were fabulous. I'm so proud of all of you. That's great. Let's give them one more round of applause. They have to get up earlier and come to school 2 days a week early to be able to do this, and so I appreciate their hard work and the sacrifice they make for that, and I appreciate all the sacrifice all of you make to get them there those 2 days a week, so thank you to all of you as well. I want to thank Mrs. Romero for all of her work. She's had 3 programs tonight, so she is probably very, very tired, but she's done an excellent job.